Namaste. My name is Avika Saurav, and I'm class 10 from the Shriram Universal School, Hyderabad. I would like to thank Sports Champ for inviting me to Sports Talk by Young Champions to share about my sports journey, which can helpfully guide or inspire many upcoming champs. Currently, I am a basketball player, but sports has always been a huge part of my life. And the first sport I played was skating when I was 4 years old. My parents have always been huge sports people, and they wanted me to also experience playing sports like how they did. So they put me in skating classes first. But since then, I have played numerous sports which I chose myself. For example, skating, swimming, tennis, taekwondo, and now basketball. Now, playing basketball, one thing about me is that I am really short. And playing basketball, which is a height dominated sport, seems like a huge daunting task at first because height is often seen as a huge advantage in basketball. And while it is, it's not only about height. When I first joined, I was scared that I would be ignored and overlooked just because of it. And while I still am sometimes, I don't let it stop me. I have learned to work around it, and now I use my height to my advantage and use it to easily get the ball from people. And I've also worked twice as hard on my speed and stamina so that they're so that even though they see a short player, then I surprise them with my unexpected skills. And this disadvantage which is seen is now actually it is an advantage, and it has forced me to use creative ways, which has made me more determined. And honestly, I think it's what makes me different in the best way. Now, sports, it's not just about playing. It's taught me a lot. It's taught me more than just winning. I've learned discipline because of sports, because you can't get better without putting in the work and the effort. I've learned teamwork, especially in basketball, where communication and trust matter more than just skill, and you have to play with your teammates and be fair. You can't just get the spotlight all to yourself, even though sometimes you want to. Most importantly, I've learned how to handle failure and sometimes how you lose even when you try your hardest, which I've experienced multiple times. And even though it isn't fun, I've learned how to get over to it. I have learned how to get over it. I've learned how to lead, how to lose, how to win. But most importantly, I've learned how to always bounce back no matter what. The whole time that I've played, whichever sports that I've chosen to pursue, my biggest supporters have always been my family. They've always had my back, whether it was driving me to early morning practice or cheering me on after a loss or giving me advice when I felt that I could not continue anymore. My friends also played as a big role. They believed in me even when I doubted myself and reminded me to have fun with the game. And that it's not only about winning, and that's also the process, how you should have fun and how you should only play it with the goal to win. And honestly, some of my coaches and teammates have been huge motivators too. They've pushed me, challenged me, and helped me grow, not just as a career, not just as a player, but as a person. I'm lucky to have people who saw potential in me, even when I was the shortest one on the court, and even when I didn't see it in myself. I'm not sure yet if I'll make it my career, but sports will always be a huge part of who I am. It has shaped my personality and taught me lessons that I'll carry into any path I choose, such as discipline, teamwork, and resilience. Skills I'll carry with me no matter what. Whether I end up playing professionally or not, I'll always stay involved, whether it be through mentoring, teaching, or just playing fun games. Uh, Now, with academics and sports, it's not always been easy to balance it. For the past year, I have not really done a good job of it. I used to excel in academics, but I have dropped down a little. But sports has taught me discipline and teamwork, and it's also taught me that the key to success is implementing this stuff. So now I have started using routines, and I now prioritize, set clear goals, and don't procrastinate, which has helped me immensely. My goals in academics been to really push to strive better, and that I just can't be good in sports. I have to be good in everything. And now sports has taught me how to be that in academics. And in sports, my goal is to keep growing, to become more disciplined, more of a team player, and a better leader, and also achieve more high end goals, such as playing in nationals. My advice to students and their parents, for their parents, is to always give unconditional love and support to your children. Cheer them on, believe in them, encourage them, even when they don't believe in themselves and even when the path isn't perfect. That kind of support makes a world of difference. And to students, I want to say never give up. Just because you don't fit the ideal for a certain sport doesn't mean you can't succeed in it. I'm living proof of that. You don't have to be the tallest, the fastest, or the strongest. You just have to be the one who keeps going and never gives up no matter what. You don't need you and even if you want to play a sport but you're too scared, you don't need to be. It's courageous to even go and try in the first place. Thank you.